Hi everyone, this is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about how to say it seems in Korean. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. First of all, I'd like to shout out somebody from the last video, Paulo Roberto. Thank you so much for following my work and supporting my channel. If you also want your comment to be featured in the future video, all you have to do is just comment down below and I'm gonna pick one person to shout out for each video. So now let's get into our subject today, how to say it seems in Korean. There are a variety of ways to say it seems in Korean. Just to keep it simple for this video, I'm gonna introduce you one verb to say it seems. The verb is 보이다. 보이다. This verb is conjugated to 보여요. In polite speech, 보여요. You may be familiar with another verb which is 보다. 보다 is to see. 보이다 is to be seen. It can also be interpreted as to seem. So this is the verb we're gonna look into today. Even with this verb, there are many ways to use this verb to say it seems. First of all, let's look into examples for the first rule. noun처럼 보이다. This seems like new clothes. 이것은 새 옷처럼 보여요. 이것, this thing. You can just say this in English. 은, subject particle. 새 is new. You may also be familiar with 새로운. They're interchangeably used. 새 옷 is clothes. 처럼. 처럼 is like. 보여요 is to seem. So, 이것은 새 옷처럼 보여요. This seems like new clothes. As you noticed, before 처럼, 새 옷 is a noun. That's the grammar rule you need to remember. That girl seems like a student. 저 여자는 학생처럼 보여요. that, 여자, girl는 subject particle. 학생, this is a student, which is a noun. 처럼, like, 보여요. seem. 저 여자는 학생처럼 보여요. That girl seems like a student. The friend seems pretty. 그 친구는 예쁜 것처럼 보여요. the, specifying the noun, 친구, friend, 는, subject particle, 예쁜 것. This is a noun. This is one of the ways to make a verb into a noun. So I'm not gonna get into this too much because this can be a little more advanced, but 예쁜 is pretty as an adjective. By adding 것, that becomes a noun, so being pretty. This format, you need to know this is a noun. 처럼, like, 보여요. seem. 그 친구는 예쁜 것처럼 보여요. The friend seems pretty. My older sister seems happy. 제 언니는 행복한 것처럼 보여요. my in polite speech, 언니 is older sister called by younger sister. 는 subject particle, 행복한 것. Again, it's the same grammar rule. 행복한 is happy as an adjective. By adding 것 becomes a noun. So being happy. We need being happy as a noun to use 처럼. 행복한 것처럼 like 보여요. seem. 제 언니는 행복한 것처럼 보여요. My older sister seems happy. It seems like my dog pooped here. 제 강아지는 여기에 똥 싼 것처럼 보여요. 제 강아지, my dog. 강아지 can be puppy or it could be small dog. 제 강아지는 my dog with subject particle 여기에 here with location particle에 똥 싼 것. So this is a noun from taking a shit. So 똥 싸다 that becomes an adjective 똥 싼. 것 by having 것 becomes a noun. 똥 싼 것 처럼, like, 보여요, seems. 제 강아지는 여기에 똥 싼 것처럼 보여요. It seems like my dog pooped here. Now that you learned about noun plus 처럼 보이다, let's get into the second grammar rule, which is conjugated verb root plus 보이다. This food seems tasty. 이 음식은 맛있어 보여요. 이 this 음식은 food with subject particle 맛있어. This is from a verb 맛있다 to be tasty. 맛있다 is conjugated to 맛있어. 보여요 seems. 이 음식은 맛있어 보여요. This food seems tasty. The weather seems nice today. 오늘은 날씨가 좋아 보여요. 오늘은 today with subject particle, you can interpret this particle as for. As for today, 날씨가. Weather with subject particle, 좋아 is from a verb 좋다, which is to be good. Conjugated to 좋아, 보여요, seem. 오늘은 날씨가 좋아 보여요. The weather seems nice today. Korean seems difficult. 한국어가 어려워 보여요. 한국어, this is Korean language. 가, subject particle, 어려워. This is from a verb 어렵다, to be difficult. But this is be irregular conjugation applied. When you conjugate this verb, you're gonna remove be as last consonant and add u. And then apply vowel. 어려워. If you're not sure what I'm talking about here, you can click the I button and watch the video about be irregular conjugation. 어려워 보여요. seem. 한국어가 어려워 보여요. Korean language seems difficult. Let's recap about what we studied today. So in order to say it seems in Korean, there are two major grammar rules to follow. The first one is noun plus 처럼 보이다. So you can interpret it as it seems like the noun. The second rule is conjugated verb root plus 보이다. I'm gonna give you one last homework for you. You can make this translation. Korean language seems fun. Either you can use the first rule or second rule, doesn't matter. You can try Korean language seems fun. You can leave the answer in the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure to give thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. See you guys next time. Bye bye.